It's Brandon here with Textile Outdoor Oasis. We're going to walk through the process of winterizing your pool equipment only if we lose power for an extended period of time. Right now, under normal conditions, your pool is going to have a freeze protection mode that will automatically kick on and circulate all the water. So if we lose power for several hours and it's going to be off for the rest of the day, what we need to do first is come over here to the pool panel. Now, as you right underneath it, there's going to be several light switches. You just turn those off, go into your service panel in the garage or the side of your house, turn all the breakers off that say pool equipment. And then we're going to come over here. You're going to release this valve here. It's going to let all the air and water out of the system. Come underneath. There's a giant drain plug underneath the filter. Unscrew that. You may need pliers. Come over here. There's a drain plug here. There's also going to be another one here that's already been removed. Take the top off the screen of the pot. You can go ahead and throw all your plugs and everything in this little basket right here and just set it back in there. Release this valve here. Come over to your booster pump. There's going to be a drain plug right here, a drain plug underneath. Now you may have a different model pump that's going to just have one little white plug here, so unscrew that one. Go ahead, take off the lid to your chlorinator if you have one. If you have a salt still like this, you can go ahead and unscrew the unions right here and right here to release the water. And now you're going to come over to your heater. And right down in here, there's going to be another plug. You just unscrew that, let all the water drain out. You can take all your unions off right here, just to let all the water drain. And that's it for now. And then once the power all comes back on, just do a reverse process, put all the plugs all back in, turn the power back on, and prime your system.